What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to turn off Facebook active status. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your search section, or you can just head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From there, head over to your account. So in here, as you can see, I'm in my account currently and there is three dots just beside edit profile. And here you'll find the option of privacy center or profile status. So if you're in this profile status, or as you can see, there is a turn on professional mode in here. Professional mode is not available when you have locked your profile. So I recently locked my profile, so I can't turn on the professional mode. But if you have unlocked and made your account a professional account, then all you need to do is just to tap on these three dots right here, and from here you will find the option of turn on privacy mode again. And then you have to just tap it and follow the instructions they show you, and then you'll be able to make or turn off your Facebook professional mode. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video helps and we'll see you in the next video.